There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there telling me I have to beware. Think it's time now, stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Hi, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at For What It's Worth. We're going to do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele, so grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Alright, as a matter of chords, not much is happening in this song, but we can play it pretty simple, but also that way it could be a little bit boring, so we'll add some more details here and I'll give you some options of how to play it to be more interesting, right? So in the main part we're basically playing just E to A. For the E chord, just playing the G, C and E string, avoiding the A string to make it easier. Something happening here. And for the A, I'm putting the ring finger here on the second fret of the A string, right? What it is ain't exactly clear. In the first verse I'm just doing one pluck or strum. Da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. And then when we're about to go to the chorus, I'm strumming a little bit more. Pick it down now, stop, children. But before that, let me show you some more ways to play this same thing. Right, so the other way that it's kind of favorite to me, it's barring here the A and E string on the 7th fret, middle finger 8th fret C string, and the ring finger on the 9th fret of the G string to have this sound a little bit higher. And then the A, if you have the 14th fret on the A string, here with the pointing finger on the 12th fret of the E string and middle finger is on the 13th fret of the C string. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Best option would be to use both of these variations. For example, in the intro, I would use this, right? Then for the first verse, I'll switch to this one. Something's happening here, and what it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there telling me I have to beware. I think it's time now to go to the chords. So in the chords we play E to D, splitting a bar. So the chords here are faster, right? Then to A, and then to C. All right? And I'm doing strumming patterns. I'm like down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, right? Stop, children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. And we get back to. But this time I'm strumming just slightly more than before, right? Not just one strum, but I'm doing down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Or down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Something like this. I'm never following a strumming pattern very strictly, and I think that you should not too, because I believe it takes away a little bit of the fun if you're very concentrated on a specific strumming pattern. Okay, let's slowly go through the intro, first verse, and chorus, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Higher up. There's something happening here, and what it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I have to beware. Thinking stop now, stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody think what's going down. And now for the next one, I'll go down. Just to make it different. Thinking about not stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going on. Stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Make sure you have some dynamics, right? Louder parts, quieter parts, as always, in any song, not just in this one. And I think this sums up the two parts. It will be easier to learn this song if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you very much for doing so, for watching, for subscribing and everything. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.